Hello everyone. Today I will be conducting a search in the ProQuest database. ProQuest can be found in the URA libraries under Articles and Databases. We'll type in ProQuest in the search bar, and here's ProQuest Central. ProQuest is a collection of databases that provide access to thousands of full-text scholarly journals, magazines, newspapers, and other publications. ProQuest can be used by students, librarians, and professional researchers. So the topic that I want to research today is the impact of ocean trash on marine life. So in this advanced search window, in the first row, I will type in ocean trash. In the second row, I will type pollution or climate. And I will add a third row and type marine life. So I am using Boolean and to narrow my search. Also using or to either pull up the word pollution or climate into my research. I will truncate the word pollution and add an asterisk. This will allow me to include variation of this pollution's word like pollution, pollute, and polluting into my search. Go ahead and click search. So it pulls up about 12,000 results. Okay. Some of these results articles are not relevant to my topic, so I will sort them by relevance. This brings up all the articles that include the terms I've entered in the search. Trash, marine life, ocean. Okay. I want to narrow my search, so I am going to click on source type and more and click on to include newspaper, journals, blogs, magazines, and audio and video works. Click on apply. Okay, so this brought down my result to about 5,000. I can further narrow the result by changing the date range to include current articles. So go right here, enter date range, enter from 2000 till 2023, update. Okay, not much difference in the articles, but still relevant to my topic. Now I want to find articles that are peer reviewed, so I will click on limit to peer reviewed. Peer reviewed is a process where an article is verified by a group of scholars before it is published. This brings down the search results to 1,000, and the first article is relevant to my topic: plastic trash altering ocean habitats. I can view the full text PDF or abstract detail version of the article. Some of the features that I like is the cite feature. It makes citing the article easier. I can just copy and paste it into my research. I also like how it provides different formats of the text in PDF, RTF, or text only. I can also save the article to my research. I can also email the article to myself. And there's options of cloud saving. You can save it in Google Drive, Google Classroom, or OneDrive. So this is it for my research, and thank you for watching.